Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically add a voiceover like on top of your videos on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to select your video and add it on top, and then you are simply going to select the record button here, select the input device as well, adjust the volume, and I like to enable like a reduction and mute project. You don't have to, but I like to mute the project. And then I'm just going to simply select the red button to start recording. And once the video is played, you can like voice over the video to its exact like mark. And once you're done, you're just going to click the same button to stop recording. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!